for a key. Where's your key? Minette, dyan na ako. Ay, there. So, akala ko na wala yung key mo.
Laki ng
May we
key.
call the representative all batch of 2000 who is present here. Please come Para
to
lahat kayo
stage.
itatanggap ng responsibility at hindi lang isa.
Pabidyo tayo sa aywa. Turning deck. Hello. Ayoko.
Nakakatakot naman.
May ebidensya tayo at nasa imisango responsibility. Okay.
Effective December 30, 2029, transfer all responsibilities to Batch 2000. Rinagragsakmi at na-receive ipewe from Batch 1998 last year. So, naragragsakon nito. Congratulations.
We, members of the class 2000, voluntarily accept
Voluntarily.
to be the sponsor for the 2025 alumni homecoming, and we commit to do our best.
Yay!
Thank you.
So we heard the acceptance and commitment from the batch to
No.
Ay, video.
Watu Chaba, the newly elected Big Saa officers, please come here in front.
Okay na po.
Taking ceremony to be inducted by our outgoing President, Police Lieutenant Colonel Romeo T. Gan.
Good evening, everyone. Officers, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, do hereby solemnly pledge to uphold the principles and values of the Banawi Immaculate Conception School Alumni Association, and to faithfully execute the duties of the office to which I have been elected. Congratulations. Good evening.
Coming from batch 1986 to be your president for the next term of year 25 to 26.
Next. So I am Mrs. Florence Nawel Batni. I am the Vice President, elected Vice President, and I belong to batch 1997.
I am Gracibel Rufino Bahatan, the Secretary-elect of this Big Saa, coming from batch 1999. Alam ko nag-grade tayo.
My name is Helen Grace Button from batch 2018 and 2016.
Yours truly, Catherine Nagnot Bani, from batch 1991, your treasurer for 2 years.
To serve you in our capacity, different capacity as your officers for this term. We will not mention any particular platform which we are going to embark to serve the best, but we will base our service to you doon sa keynote speaker natin this morning, that we will serve you best, that is of service to God, of service to men, and service to community and our country. Sa Tagalog, ano ba yun? Maka-Diyos, makatao, makabayan. Having said that, despite the help of the sponsoring Batch 2000 and 1975, we cannot do so alone. We need your support in order to elevate our services to you. We will be able to do our job well. We need your support, and we have, as I say, we should be united in our common goal to uphold the ideals of this institution. It's vital that you will support us in this next term. Thank you very much, and thank you for your trust and confidence in this, the leaders that you have placed before you. Thank you. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Enjoy the night.
Yes, thank you so much, Manu, Patrick. So.